Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, but you can call me Libby, and on this channel I talk all things brands, beauty and personal development. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a no makeup look featuring Ofra Cosmetics. Now the products that I am going to be sharing with you today, I did purchase from my own money, and I really just wanted to test out this company's formula, their products, see how it works with my skin. I thought to myself, do you know what? I need to get some new products anyway, so let me try Ofra Cosmetics products. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So to get started, I've already done my eyelashes and my eyebrows. They're the only things that I have done thus far. I'm going to be starting with primer. I absolutely love the packaging. As you can see, it kind of looks like a gray kind of color, but when you go ahead and test it out, it comes out kind of like a purpley blue almost, with a little bit of a shimmer in there. So I am very excited to see what this one's gonna look like. I never usually wear primer because I have oily to combination skin. So when it comes to primer, it kind of always leaves my face a little too dewy. So I am very excited to see how this is going to come out. Okay, we're looking good. I absolutely love how this is making my face feel. You can already see it kind of took away some of that shine that I had there before. Not to mention, it smells amazing. I love how fresh it smells. Okay, so we are gonna go over to foundation. This foundation is called Absolute Coverage Foundation. So I'm sure that it's gonna give me the coverage that I need. First of all, I'm just gonna put some of this just on my hand here. The consistency is really nice. And I've just got my foundation brush here. I'm just going to dab a little bit on there. And we're gonna get this going. Off the bat, I love the fact that it gives that really matte effect. Absolutely love that. I think that next time I will probably go for 7.2. This one is number 7 and it's just a little bit too light for me. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna see how it looks and we're just gonna continue. Okay, so the concealer that I'm using is called Signature Palette. And the one thing that I really liked about this is that it comes in all different shades in one palette, which is very convenient indeed. So let me go ahead and start putting this on. Ooh, that's smooth. Okay, so I just went ahead with one side. It's definitely brightened up my eyes, which is glorious. I absolutely love that. Let me go ahead with the other side, and then I'm going to start using a little bit more of a darker concealer to really structure out my nose and my cheekbones. Okay, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brighten up my nose a little bit. I am going to go ahead and just get my sponge so that I can really press the product in some more. Okay, so I'm just gonna start with my cheekbones and then I'm going to sculpt my nose. Now that my cheeks and my nose are somewhat structured, I'm actually gonna go ahead and start using the setting powder. So next we have the setting powder, or also known as loose powder, and it is translucent, so it's great for baking. The one that I've got is in medium, so we are gonna go ahead and use this little teeny weeny sponge here, and then I'm going to set my concealer. I love that. Oh my gosh. It leaves your skin flawless. Like, look at that. I think I may have found a new favorite translucent powder. Okay, hold on. It's like you can't see my bag anymore. She's peeking through. She's trying to peek through. This is like magic. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so I've deliberately left quite a fair amount on my nose, and what I'm gonna do is leave that for a little bit, and then I'm going to get my brush and I'm just gonna kind of brush that away. That is flawless. The formula, like I don't even have any other words to say. The formula. Okay, so I just have my brush here and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of brush away any excess powder. Okay, so the next product we're going to be using is the Ofra highlighter, and this is in shade medium. I am very excited about this one because I've actually gotten an Ofra palette before, and it came with a highlighter, a blush, which I will be using that blush later. There's like hardly anything left in it. So when I saw that they did this one too, I was very excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my usual, which is tip of the nose. I absolutely love that. And then I'm also going to do down the nose as well. And this is just going to make my contour really stand out on my nose. You see that? And then I also like to do just a little bit above my cheekbones. Oh my gosh. I definitely think that these are products that are worth trying 100%. Another thing as well is that they are vegan. They don't test on animals, which is always so lovely. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my blush. Here is my blush. Like I said, there is like hardly anything left in this thing. So I'm just going with this little guy right here. Tap that a little bit, and what I like to do is kind of just go on the corner of my cheekbones and press in, and then I'm going to bring it up to my temples kind of thing. Okay, I think that looks good. And then my last thing, which I absolutely love to do, I call this the bunny nose because it reminds me of a bunny nose. I just get a little bit of my blush there. And I just go like this. And it just kind of looks like a little bunny nose. Absolutely digging it. So let me go ahead and just finish up really, really quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, here is the final look. I absolutely love how this came out, and may I just say, the formula. It looks flawless. Like, you cannot see any blemishes, uneven skin tones. It seriously does the job, and I absolutely love it. You know, this is the first time I've done a full face makeup look with Ofra, and I definitely feel like this is going to be one of my new staples. The coverage that all of these products are giving are phenomenal, out of this world, like 10 out of 10. So out of all of the products, I definitely must say the setting powder. Like, that loose powder in the shade medium was right up my alley. I absolutely loved it. Another one of the products that I really liked and I was kind of surprised by was the primer Northern Lights. I never usually wear primer because my face, as I said, is more so on the oily combination kind of side. So I'm always so scared to use primer, but as you can see, there is no oil. It just looks so on point, and that is exactly what I need. So absolutely love that. I will be leaving all of the information for Ofra Cosmetics down in the description box below for you. So that is the end of my video today. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, as well as the notification bell and the subscription button. I'll also go ahead and leave all of my social media links down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Bye.